I don't know what happened. What do you mean you don't know what happened? I mean, I did it and I don't know what happened. Well, it looks like you did it wrong. So what'd you do? I did what it said for me to do. I just swapped them out. That was it. You swapped them out, but now they don't work. So you did something wrong. Did you follow the instructions? What instructions? No wonder. Well, now they don't work. I don't know what happened. What's up, Tire Garage TV? Welcome back to the channel. Yo, welcome back. If it's your first time on the show, welcome. If it's not, if you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. My name is Pablo. This is the Tire Garage TV. I own, work, and live here at the Tire Garage, so it's my pride and joy. Anything car related, you'll find it here. Going to car shows, going to cruises, working. They're not how-to videos, but I show you how to work on cars and stuff like that. Turning wrenches, all that. If you love it, this is the channel for you. So hit that subscribe button and let's get going. What we got today? Well, today we're working on this little baby beast. So I don't know what happened. I did the headlights on this thing, and I'm gonna post that video up here. And I don't know what happened because now one of them doesn't turn on, and the other one is facing, like, when I'm driving down the street, it's like I can see the trees, but I can't see the road. So it needs adjustment pretty much. So, and plus, on top of that, we're trying these out. LED headlights. I got these on Amazon. I know I'm going cheap, but I got these on Amazon. Let's see how they work out. Let's see how long they last as well. If they don't last long, obviously I'll go with something better, but let's see how they work. They should be plug and play. I think that's what it said on the thing. So bad thing is I think I need 4 of them, so I don't know if I ordered the right ones. I believe I did get the 4-pack. So I don't know. We'll see right now. So let's get to work. Let's get to work. So, as you can see, one of them works and one of them doesn't. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. But anyways, it happened. So last time was more than anything to showcase replacing the headlights. So this got replaced because it was all yellow, just ugly from the sun. And this part too, same as these two, right? But somehow it got plugged in and this thing works, but it points up to the trees. And I'm not sure about the high beams. I got to check the high beams. I'm not sure if they work. But everything works. Everything else works fine, right? Oh, except for this one. This one doesn't turn on at all. I thought I plugged everything in. I guess I didn't. Something happened. So let's fix that. Regardless, like I said, the headlights came in. The LED lights came in. I ordered these. I think I ordered them together or separately, whatever. But they finally came in. I'm not too big on the brand, again, and I'm not sponsored by anybody, so I just picked them because they were cheaper, and I thought they worked, and they actually were the fit for it. Supposedly they work, but they don't last as long. I'm going to give it a shot. I don't know. So let's try them out, see what happens. So let's throw them in again. Let's take everything apart again. Hopefully these are just plug and play. Hopefully they don't flicker or anything like that. So let's see. Let's take a look. Actually, first let's open the package. See what's inside. What if they're the wrong ones? What if they're empty? What if it's just a box? Just kidding. All right. Hey. Oh, hell no. Okay, take a look. This is how it's, whew. That looks beautiful, dude. That looks really good. See that tint of yellow? I don't like. This blue, though. Whew, that's sexy. Let's see, do the high beams? High beams. Pretty bright. They're still not pointing in the right direction, but they will be. So let's fix that. But just so you can see the difference, nice blue tint to it versus the yellow, ugly, like a fungus nail type of thing. Blech. Okay. Now every car is a little bit different, right? In this case, it just takes 2 bolts, one here, one here. It holds it in place. This is the screw or lever or whatever you want to call it that actually positions the light up and down. That I gotta do after everything's set. So after I install the grill, reinstall the lights, turn everything, make sure it's working, perfect. Then I can play with the height. As for the lights, they pretty much pop in. It's just like a little socket that you twist, push in and twist. So both of them are in, both of them work fine. One thing, I don't know if you can see it, but if you can tell, the light is a little bar like this, right? You gotta make sure it's straight up, it's vertical. So yeah, basically the light is on. They're both working now. Let's throw the grill back on, throw the blinkers and everything on. And that was basically it. Pretty simple. Woo, she looks good. Yeah. See, that's much better than that ugly yellow. I mean, the yellow markers, whatever, you gotta have those. But man, that looks way better. Now I just need to adjust the height on them, because obviously it's still pointing up, all stupid, so gotta fix that part. But I like it. At least the yellow ugly lights are now fixed. Bam!
Life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down.
What up, Tire Garage TV? Yo, truck is looking way better, much better. With the headlights and the LED bulbs, it looks 100% better. So thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us on the episode. I'm gonna cut the video short right here, but first join us on the Instagram. I'm gonna post my page up here, then I'll post the shop Instagram up here. Go follow those 2 pages. I post a lot of stories, do a lot of posts. I'm really active on social media. DM me, anything there, and yeah, cool. All right, thank you. I appreciate you for that. So let's cut the video short here, and we'll catch you on the next one. Remember, this is a 5-part series, okay? 5 things to make your car look new again. Even if you drive an old little bucket, this one's a 2006, 200,000 miles, you still keep it looking good. Still keep it looking new. So 5 things to do to your car to make it look new again. So catch you on the next one.
Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas.